Project 4.2.3 Mannequin Muscles assignment that I'll be walking you through today. This is the doc with the information and steps to complete the assignment. Step 1 here says you will choose the muscle groups you will be working with. You can choose from one of the two major groups of muscles. This links to a document with the two major muscle groups. You will choose one of the two to work on your biodigital model, either the upper body muscle groups or the lower body muscle groups. I've already opened up my Biodigital, so I'm going to start the assignment. First, I'm going to click on Complete Anatomy and choose either female or male complete anatomy. And once you hover your mouse over either one of them, you can click on the pen here at the top right to customize in Studio. Once this is fully loaded, I'm going to rename the model. I'm going to just rename it Upper Body Muscle Group, since that's the group that I'm going to do. And now I'm going to go to Anatomy. Next to Muscular System, I'm going to click on the three dots and click Isolate. And now, Rhomboideus Major is the first muscle on the upper body muscle groups, which is on the back, so I'm going to start by labeling that. It's on the back, but I don't really know where it is, so I can look it up in the search bar on the left side. And here it is. If you click on it, you can see it light up here. So I'll zoom in. And now that we have a clear view of it, I can label it by clicking the label button here at the top. And you can click the muscle and move the name around as well. And to edit the description, you can click the name here or go to the right and click it here. In the description, you're going to put the origin, insertion, action, and the type of joint that it crosses. And you're going to do this for each of the muscles in the muscle group that you've chosen. Once you've completed all of the muscles in your muscle group, you're going to press Publish here at the bottom right, press Save, and now at the bottom left you can click Copy URL, and it will automatically copy it for you and you can paste it into your submission.